This is the Everything Tutor. So in this video, we'll be going over 2 different ways to use shiying in Mandarin Chinese. These are the characters right here in simplified. These are traditional. So you'll understand after some examples. So, 你适应大学的生活了吗? So here, we're just using shiying as we would a regular verb. So we're saying 你 you 适应 like adapt 大学 which is college 的生活 so college life 了 indicated like have you done it already like in the past and ma is just yes or no. So you're saying subject and then 适应 and then the thing that you're adapting to. So it's a very simple usage here. All right, let's look at a second example. So 我来了2年了，到现在还不适应这里的生活。So here again, it's the same thing. We're saying 适应 and then the thing that you're adapting to. So 我来了2年了. Been here for 2 years, ongoing. That's not important to 适应 in the sentence. Like up to this point, 还不适应这里的生活. So 不适应, like not adapted. Here's life. So I'm not adapted to life here. So we're just saying 适应 and then the thing that is being adapted to. So if you want to say, for example, I adapted to school, 我适应了学校. And now let's look at the second usage of 适应. So here we can put 对 in the sentence to say, like, 对 something 适应. So we're saying the thing to have adapted to goes after the 对 but before 适应. So let's look at some examples. 你对这里的天气已经适应了吗? So you to the weather here already adapted? Yes or no? So it's essentially the same here except that the thing to be adapted to goes after the 对 and then before 适应. Then one more example. 我们刚来美国，对美国的天气还不适应. So we just got to America, and then again, we're saying 对美国的天气. So to America's weather, we have not adapted to. So to recap with this structure, it just goes 对, and then the thing that you're adapting to, and then 适应. Whereas with the first structure, 适应 goes directly before the thing that's getting adapted to.